Okay, all you nickel plate model railroaders, this is Joe Bliss, Allegheny Model Railroad Services, Casey Jones 1950 on YouTube. What I've got here is one of the new Bowser NKP RS3s, and unfortunately the way they wired the headlight and the Mars light, they wired them parallel, so they both came on with F0 on your DCC controller. Well, to separate that, take the shell off, and I remove the speaker out of the way, and you take the black wire off the Mars light at the bottom, or the LEDs, and the solder pad. There's a little circuit board there that holds the LEDs for both lights. Take that bottom black wire off, take the black wire from the top light and splice the two together. Use heat shrink on it, insulate it. Then solder a new wire to that black, where that black wire was on the lower LED, and then run it to solder pad auxiliary 2, X2 it's marked on the main board. Alright, now they're separated, as you can see, and the instead of a Mars light, it's actually a beacon right now, but if you have the Lok-Programmer, you can put it on your Lok-Programmer, I'm sure, and change that function to a Mars light instead of beacon. Anyway, that's how you do it. If anybody wants photos of the board and how I wired this, contact me at Casey Jones 1950 on yahoo.com. Thanks.